let's make a green gram vada like this. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video.
For making this beautiful vada, we need green gram 1.5 cup, washed and soaked in water overnight. See, like this. Move 3 teaspoons of green gram into a different bowl. Add the green gram into the blender. Add chopped onions, 3 green chilies, a small piece of ginger, curry leaves, fennel seed, 1 teaspoon, a half teaspoon of cumin. Scrape the side and blend it. Not to be a fine paste, a rough paste. Move to a bowl. Add chopped cilantros, crushed black pepper. The green grams, we keep it separate. Add to the bowl. Combine well. Place a pot of oil on a medium heat. Like this. Make small vadas. Fry 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Flip it over and fry crisp on outside and soft at inside. That's a specialty of this vada. Remove to a plate. Enjoy this vada with chutney. You can visit my channel for chutney recipes.
The green gram vada is ready. Beautiful, delicious flavors. A beautiful snack. If you like it, please try it. If you like it, share it, comment it, and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Jaws Moses Kitchen. Bye.